Hey everyone, I made it into Costco and look right here, brand new. We have the mandarin orange chicken dip marinade sauce, and of course you will get two for $7.99. Of course, a lot of sodium. And 15, we have the hot sauce, a challenge, a 10 pack. Oh, look at this little guy down here. $9 for Bubbies. Now this is going to be bread and butter. It is non-GMO. It is a 6 ounce. Stuffed Greek olives are $10. Garlic and jalapeno is $7. And pickles, we have spicy petite dill for $7, and you get two 8 ounce. I do like a spicy pickle. And $9.89, non-GMO. Raspberry chipotle in a 40 ounce is $8.99. Lemon bars are $8 now for a 24 ounce. I just made lemon bars the other night. And strawberry yogurt pretzels for a 26 is $8. And for a 30 count, $10.79. And if you're craving mini pancakes, you will get 25 for $10. I have not tried these yet. Made in France. David is still around for $10.99. I'm surprised that didn't go down after the holiday season. Organic peach spread, $5.59. It is non-GMO. The 6-pack is $13. Now I have tried this before. It is okay, but it is very greeny. So if you, it's green is green. If you're not, some people love it, some people hate it. I normally do buy this one $14, but I buy it in Walmart. So one bottle actually lasts me quite a bit because they use it for smoothies in the morning. You get 6 in here for $14, which is not bad. And $14, no antibiotics, nitrate, pork-free, and gluten-free. Tender belly is $17. No antibiotics, no water. Cheetos Flamin' Hot Tangy Chili for $7. Oh my gosh, look at that. You know what's been hard to find? The lime chili. I finally found it in Walmart, but it's been gone forever. But this one's new. We have Doritos Sweet Tangy Barbecue for $6.69 for a 30 ounce. The chicken breast is on sale through January 29th, $18, no limit for a 10-pounder. It's going to be $18. I don't think I've seen this one. We have the chicken pot stickers. Okay, the chicken and vegetable dumpling. Tyson rotisserie seasoned unbreaded chicken strips, 3 pound for $12, ends on the 15th. You can make some fajitas, tacos, tostadas, and $2.79 per pound. So $8.62. And the wontons are 15. You only get 6 in here. And $20. Organic cauli rice, okay, is $5.99, and you get 4 bags. Ends on the 15th. Good Pop is $12.79. Now I do like this brand. During 4th of July, they have like kind of like a limey lemon one. And $15.29. This one is new, so if you know somebody who loves the boba, we have mango and raspberry. $11.99 variety pack of Honest Kids. It looks like 8 apple, 8 berry on the go, and a grape. Holy smokes! Sunny D went up a lot. It is $14.59. Sunny D used to be like 10, right? Or was it like 9?
It was a little cheaper, but yeah, that's
almost $15. That is crazy. Vegan butter is $7. Organic salted is $11.89. Caviar is $55. That is a very pricey treat. My son does love caviar. And $14.79. Let me bring one down. Korean inspired. We have the glass noodles. Thai mango sticky rice. Ooh, my son might like this. $11.99. My son loves food from everything. We have lamb, $15.99. So $20.31. And next to me, the loin chop is $8. So about $23 to $24 in here. And the leg roast is $7.50. So we're talking about like $47. Okay, these are back. The ham and cheese pastry. Of course, you get 4 for $9. A lot of people say they despise them. I've never tried them. But in a different location, I found these not in the refrigerator. They were like in the bread area. So I don't know. I mean, it has ham. A 2-pound of strawberries are $7. Okay, in the book department, you guys, of course, Prince Harry is here. So I didn't buy this, but you know, on social media, a lot of people are just like sharing the Audible and everything. So very,
Spice Girls,
yeah. He did quote the Spice Girls, which I thought was kind of weird. Okay, I don't see anything too new in the book department. I know somebody asked me, and they also asked me about Valentine stuff in Costco. Honestly, you're gonna find more Valentine stuff in Sam's Club. My Costco, no matter which one I go to, they only have like the chocolate, like heart Ghirardelli. So they do have the Pocky. You get 12 in here, variety pack for $9.69.
Oh, that's better than the other place, isn't it?
Well, because this is a variety pack, so you only get 3 like cookies and cream, 3 strawberry, and 6. But if you do just want strawberry or chocolate, the business center,
you get 10 of them for $7.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
And the mushrooms are $10.99.
Those are good.
So normally I wait till they go on sale. They'll go on sale hopefully to $5. A little bit of Valentine over here. So we have the Godiva dark chocolate is 10.
They're
But
biscuits.
be careful. Yeah, they are. They're like a cookie.
Oh, those are good.
I know there's like dark chocolate that has like metals in it. See, this one we've seen for 10. Alright, you guys, I think that's gonna do it for this Costco location. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. I was trying to hope to see like new beauty products, but not in this one. The eye cream will be $40.